Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about my makeup vanity. I'm going to be showing you guys today in my video how you can pretty much do a do-it-yourself vanity at home. A lot of the super nice looking vanities that you see pictures of on like Pinterest or Facebook or wherever, they're pretty much the IKEA vanities. Some are the Impression Vanities vanity, but they look super nice, but they're also super expensive. Most of those are about $200, $300. So my vanity we actually pretty much made. We put some stuff together. We got different things from different places, but it was definitely a lot cheaper than if you go and buy the very expensive ones. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do your own vanity at home for a cheaper price. I'm also going to be showing you guys today pretty much how I organize my makeup, what I put in each drawers, how it all works with my whole vanity. So if you are interested, then just please continue watching. Okay guys, so this right here would be my vanity. Ignore the chair right there. That's just my makeup chair I carry around when I travel to do makeup. I don't really have nowhere else to put it, so just ignore that part. But this right here is my vanity. I love it. And does it not kind of just pretty much look like the super nice IKEA vanities? I love so much how this turned out. I'll get closer and just show you guys everything. This is my setup pretty much. In the beginning, I have just a cute picture of me and my boyfriend, some flower decorations, my makeup brushes. I have my mirror right here. This is my big mirror, and then I have a small mirror right here because I do need a more up-close mirror to see like eyeshadow more deeper in details, and then a backup mirror just to see what I look like from a distance. And then over here, I have some more brushes, Q-tips, all my lotions and perfumes, and just a lamp. And I will turn this on a lot when I'm doing my makeup because it just kind of makes the whole setup a lot brighter. And this is just another cute little decorative plant I've thrown up here. I'm going to start, I guess, explaining the mirrors that I have up here. So this is my first big mirror. This does turn on, and this is the brand, if you are wondering. Yeah, something like that. My mom, I think she ordered this for me. I think she saw it on like one of those Facebook lives of a makeup lady, and she had this, and so she ordered it for me. So it's super nice. I really, really like it. And it also, of course, turns on and gets brighter. So this is what it looks like with the lights on. Super nice. I can see my makeup a lot better with those lights on. I love them. And then you get up closer. This is my smaller mirror. This is with the Impressions Vanity, actually. My boyfriend got me this one. The smaller ones are not as expensive as these bigger ones, of course, with Impressions Vanity. But like I said, this isn't even Impressions Vanity. This is a cheaper brand, so I do really like it. But the smaller mirror is just this one right here. There I am. Also, this one does turn on. Well, yeah. This one turns on too, and you get the little bright lights. Of course, if you do your makeup, you know the brighter effect that you have, the better your makeup's going to look because you can really see everything. I'm going to turn these off. And then this is my makeup chair. I swear I tried to clean this, but with my hands being so dirty every day with makeup on it and grabbing it, it just won't come off. But this is my makeup chair. It's super duper nice. I love it because it's so big. I like to sit crisscross like a little kid when I do makeup. So I like how wide this is. It's very comfy. My parents actually got this from Steinmart for me. And it was on sale. If you know my family, we love sales. We don't buy a lot of expensive things, honestly, unless it's on sale. So that's the chair. Now I'm going to explain how we did this tabletop part right here. So this tabletop part is actually made by my uncle, Uncle Mutt. Shout out to him. I will actually leave his Facebook information down below because for all of you locals, I'm from Ahoskie, North Carolina. So if you're around there, he actually builds stuff. He's really, really good at it. So he built this tabletop for me. And then what the tabletop is sitting on, these drawers, are actually drawers from Michael's craft store. They are so nice. I'm telling you, they pretty much are just like the IKEA drawers. They're amazing. I love them. And they were actually from Michael's, a lot cheaper than the IKEA ones. They just slide out like that. I love them. I'm actually going to probably pop up a picture somewhere up here, but I'm also going to leave a link in the description box for how you can order these drawers along with my uncle's information. So yeah, that's pretty much how we made my vanity. So now I'm pretty much just going to show you guys how I organize my makeup, what exactly is in each one of these drawers. So stay tuned with me and we will see how I organize it. Start with the left side. My first drawer is actually for all of my beginning parts of my makeup pretty much. So I have all of my primers over here. I have my dewy primer, matte primer, oil control, my NYX Honey Do Me Up eye primer, and my professional. Then over here I have my main setting sprays. This one's for more of a dewy look. This one's for more of a matte. And then I have all of my foundations that I kind of alternate with. And these are my sponges I use. And then back here in the back, I just have a little mini moisturizer and a lip scrub and one of my go-to lipsticks. So that's the first drawer. We have the primer, setting spray, foundation. I swear I cleaned this. This is my second drawer, which is what I pretty much do, my second step in my makeup. We have our concealers. I have my setting powders, my little sponges I use for both of those. And then on this side, this is just a Morphe contour palette and my little sponges for those. And then I have my bronzing concealers. So that's the second drawer. Then in the third drawer, I pretty much have my blushes and my highlighters. So here is all of my highlighting. We have some liquid and some powder, even a stick one. And then over here is my blushes. This is actually a blush, bronzing, and highlight and eyeshadow palette, but I mainly use the blush in it, so I keep it in here. And then back here we have the Morphe blush palette. So my third drawer is full of my highlighters and my blushes. And then my fourth drawer is where I pretty much keep my eyebrows. If I have any lashes I haven't used or I reuse them, I keep them in here. And over here I have my waterproof mascara, my normal mascara, my eyelash curler. And actually in this bag, if you can tell, it's all of like my eyeshadow glitters, any like eye pigments, I put them all in here. So I pretty much call this my eye and eyebrow drawer. So that's the fourth one. And then we get down to the fifth drawer. This drawer right here is going to be the junkiest. I really did try to organize it, but I have so much stuff in this drawer. So here it goes. Oh, see? Okay. So here's the fifth drawer. I know, a lot of mess. But what this drawer is, whenever you guys see me do like Halloween makeup, special effects makeup, any makeup that uses color, the paints, all of the like special effects kind of things, my makeup brushes for like art and paint kind of stuff, glitters, all of that is in this fifth drawer. This drawer really just mainly gets used around like Halloween time, but it's all there when I need it. Okay, so here is the next side. Pretty much in every one of these drawers but one, this is all of my eyeshadow palettes. And actually the makeup that you're seeing right now in the drawers, this is just my everyday go-to makeup. I actually have a ton of other makeup in a very big like makeup carry case, and that's what I take when I do other people's makeup. So this isn't even all of my makeup, but this is my main eyeshadows that I use and go to, or just some that I don't want to get rid of. So all these drawers right here is all eyeshadows. So the first drawer I pretty much call my go-to eyeshadow palettes. This is what I will grab pretty much everyday look. We have my Dose of Colors Friendcation palette. That has really been my go-to lately. I love this one. My Anastasia Sultry palette. Back here in the back, I have my Joeva's Place palette. I have my little Tarte palette that I created the shadows for. And then I have my whole Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. All of the eyeshadows for that is in here. So yeah, this is my go-to eyeshadow palette drawer. So the second drawer I like to call my Morphe palette drawer. I did have some of the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vault up there, but I tend to grab those more, and they kind of wouldn't even fit in this drawer. So this is my Morphe palette drawer. We have the 35G Bronze Golds, the Jaclyn Hill palette. Look how beat this is. If you watch my cruise vlog, I put this in the same bag as my sunscreen. And my sunscreen kind of exploded. So it messed it up, but do not worry. These shades are all still intact. I kind of just want to buy a new one though, because I hate how ugly it looks now. But then here's my other Morphe palettes. This is one of them. I'm making a mess. This is so hard to do with one hand. And then here's another one. Yeah. And this is actually my first Morphe palette ever. I refuse to get rid of it. It looks very beat up, but I'm not getting rid of it. It's the 35 OS. It's my first one I ever bought. It's all the shimmers. You can tell how beat it is. But I'm not going to get rid of it. It's my first one. So that's the second drawer. Then we get down to the third drawer. I like to call this all of my oldie but goodie drawer. So this is some older palettes. It's kind of just like the Morphe 35 OS. I refuse to get rid of them because this is pretty much where my makeup journey started. Especially this Naked 2 Urban Decay palette. Oh my god, this is literally all I used to use. Can't even open it. This is all I used to use when I first started to do makeup. You can tell I hit pan on almost all of them. This is back when I couldn't even afford makeup. I think I was given this. But I used to even use this on clients. Like, that was the go-to palette. And then I went up to the Naked 3. I got the Naked Smoky. Like, I thought I was something. So these are just, like, memory palettes, honestly. Because they just make me think of, like, how far I've really came with all of my makeup. And how much my whole makeup collection has grown. We have the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. And the Too Faced Metallic Chocolate Gold palette. This actually isn't that old. Try to open it. Yeah, this one's not that old, maybe a year or two ago. It has all the pretty metallic gold and pretty shades in it. Oh my god, I love how good these smell. I can smell the chocolate from here. So yeah, this is my oldie but goodie drawer. Then we get down to the fourth drawer. And this I pretty much just call palettes that I don't like run to. This is like palettes when I'm feeling it, I use them. There's a lot of oldies in this one too. We have our Tarteist Pro palette, the Tartelette in Bloom. Oh my god, this is another one like the Naked 2 palette that I used to use all the time. Like, that's all I grabbed. We have another Tarte palette. We have the Lorac Pro. I think this is the number 2, I want to say. And this is 3. Or this could be 3 and this could be 4. I don't really know. But the Lorac palettes, Shan XO, and we have the Kylie palette. I still kind of grab this one. I like this one a lot. But yeah, these are pretty much just my older palettes that when I'm feeling, I grab them. And then in the last drawer, this is one that doesn't have any kind of makeup related stuff in it. And honestly, I'm kind of scared to open it because stuff always falls down. So I don't know if it's clean, but let's hope for the best. Okay, it's not bad. So this is my nail drawer pretty much. So I have all of my nail polish in the back. I honestly don't do my nails a lot. I know they're done right now, but it's just because I work in a salon, so it's easy to get them done there. But that's all of my nail polishes. I have one of those little cheap old gel nail things. And this is actually just my self-tan mitt glove. So this is pretty much just for all of my nail stuff. This is it, guys. This is pretty much my whole makeup vanity. Again, if you guys do have any questions on where I got the stuff to build this vanity, or even just anything inside of my makeup drawers that you're wondering, most of it will be down in the description box. If not, you can always send me a message on one of my socials, which is also down in the description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of video. If you did, make sure you leave me some likes and comments down below just so I will know. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you will not miss out on any of the fun videos we do here. And I will just see you guys in my next video.